Hey everyone, good morning, good morning. My name is Kayla Fahey-Ahrndt. Welcome to day 2 of Christmas in July. Today I'm going to be showing you some digital planning tools. I'm using the OneNote app on my iPad. I have an iPad Air 4 and I'm using my Apple Pencil, but you can use any tablet or you can do this on your desktop. I have OneNote mini notebooks. I'm using my trial notebook because I'm going to be coming up with a new product by the end of the week and sharing that with you. So I'm just kind of previewing this new daily page. So I created a daily page and daily section. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the item. You have to be in the draw mode and then text mode. Put your cursor down, hit insert, and then I'm going to insert a file. I have my personal OneDrive connected. You can search here. I have a lot of daily pages because I have a planner that I offer that's linked in the description if you want to check it out. I'm going to show you this brand new daily page. So when you insert as a file, it'll often just show the icon as like the PDF here. Click on that and hit print out or preview, and that's going to show you the document. Now, I don't need this little icon, so I'm just going to hit delete. I'm going to move this document up. Now I'm super excited. I figured out a different way to import huge files and OneNote planners into the planner, different than what I've shared on YouTube before. So not using PNGs, like actually importing into your OneDrive. So I'm very excited about that to show you at the end of the week. But we're just importing one file. So now I'm just going to hit set picture as background. And now I can pretend like, okay, this is my planner page, and I'm going to go ahead and write on top of it. So I'm going to be in the draw mode, and I'm turning my pencil on, and let's use like a dark blue just because that'll make it easy to see. All right, so I'm going to enter this daily quote I shared on the previous video. If you haven't seen Christmas in July Day 1, I posted it last night, and I shared about the book Daily Joy by National Geographic. It has these wonderful daily quotes. So I'm going to just write the one that's there for July 5th. So they say, be bold when you embark for strange places. Don't leave any of yourself safely on the shore. And the person that said that was Alan Ida. I think that means that when you're going to embark on something that you're excited about and you're like diving in, this is something that I've thought a lot about. Instead of just dipping your toe, like go all in, like be all in. I think a lot of us hold back because we're afraid. We're like, well, what if I fail? Or is this the right thing to be doing? And you get scared. And so I think just being able to trust your gut and say, no, I'm gonna like dip all of my toe, then it just feels really, really good. So be bold. And I think you can see greater results when you give your whole self and you dive completely in rather than when you're holding back. Because I think the universe knows when you're holding back. So definitely check out that book. I love it. It's so simple. If you love doing quotes with planning, you don't have to think. You just look at the page. It's today's date of July 25th, and you pull it up and you write it in. So that's going to be my daily quote today. Affirmations. Sometimes I have affirmations I repeat every single day as I'm working towards something. Sometimes I'm call them lazy affirmations, and I just go on Pinterest. So I just did the Pinterest thing this morning. So I've picked a few that feel good to me. So I'm going to say I am calm and peaceful. I definitely want to feel like that today. My daughter's starting a brand new daycare, and so I'm not like scared at all. I'm super excited for her, but it's a big date. So I know I'm going to be thinking about her all day. I'm also going to put my success is inevitable. Oops. So I love digital planning. You can just go back and erase. I've been working on this YouTube channel for 2 years. I wanted to share a really cool milestone with you guys. I always get those pop-ups on OneDrive that say like your memories from today. And I was filming and posting YouTube channels. I think it was like July 24th where one of my first videos went up 2 years ago in 2020. So I think like I'm feeling successful already. I have grown my audience. I've posted some really cool videos. I've learned a lot about myself. So I think that's awesome. So I think slow, meaningful, small steps definitely win in the long run. I think the other affirmation, I'm probably not going to do 5 today. I'll just do 3. I think I'm going to write something more about like health. So I think I'm going to write, I deserve a healthy body. When I'm really busy with work, sometimes I will not take care of myself and I will just like work. So I'm in a full season right now, so I'm just gonna remind myself like, hey, yeah, take lunch. Like that is not only necessary, but you deserve it. Like, don't feel like you have to sacrifice yourself in order to get the work done. It's actually the opposite. When you take care of your body, you will be successful. So I like the term deserve. I'll also give you guys a tip when cleaning my kitchen. Sometimes I'll say like, yeah, I get to clean my kitchen. Like I have a house. I'm really lucky. Like I'm fortunate. Like some people don't have that. And then I heard on this YouTube channel, she is called, I love this page. I'll write it here in the margin for you guys. Her name is Callie Bransford, I think, but her channel is called But First Coffee. She says, I deserve a clean kitchen, right? And that always motivates her to not leave her sink empty at night. And she always wakes up to like a beautiful clean sink. So I really like the word I deserve. It does absolutely motivate me. All right, for me, a couple things I'm gonna do. I think with my daughter, there's a lot of focus on her with the new daycare. So for me, I'm going to find a mindful moment. I'm definitely gonna make a latte. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make a cappuccino. I'm a very bad speller. Is that right? Who knows? It's okay. It probably isn't. My maker. I have a really beautiful coffee maker that my husband got me when I had my daughter, and I don't use it that much, but in the summertime when our house is really cold, I love using it, and I have supplies to save money on coffee, so I'm definitely going to use that. For me, I'm definitely going to, I think I'm going to work out before I get the kids. Yep, and I think I'm also going to, what else do I want to do for me? I feel like it's cappuccino. Now I have to look. Yeah, it is. I told y'all, I am not the greatest speller, but it's all good. I'm not here to impress anyone. Let's see. It's this. Una cappuccino, por favore. Okay, I did go to Italy twice and I love it. So I think the other thing I'm going to do is I haven't read in a while. Well, I've read a lot, but I think I'm going to read my Jenna Kutcher book. I've only just started it and it's really good. How are you? Really? I think just 10 minutes. Like, kind of get back into that habit. Maybe I'll do a little habit planning session later. So I think what I'm going to do is manifest my mindful moment to be my coffee and my book. That's going to be my plan to find mindfulness today. And then later on, what I'll do is I'll come back during the day and at the end of the day, I'll fill in like what was my highlight, what went well, what was something like the best part of the day. And then I'll fill in a daily journal how today went. I'll fill in how I want to be better tomorrow, 1% better. Small atomic habits make you better. But I need to fill in how do I want to feel. I kind of already said this above in my affirmations, but I want to feel calm. There's going to be a lot of change going on today for my daughter. and just with work. So I want to feel calm, peaceful. I know that I will accomplish everything that I set my mind to in terms of like my daily to-dos, but also with this channel. And I want to feel healthy, and I want to feel, do you ever feel like when you sit back and really find gratitude and mindfulness, that you kind of get twinkly eyed? Like, I don't want to say you tear up, but you feel like you see the world through a different lens where you're like, yes, like this moment is everything. Like, this is the best moment. This is what I strive for every single day. And it just feels super, super good. That's how I want to feel. And I'm sure that's not how you spell twinkly eyed, but I'm going for it. I'm totally gonna like highlight it, call it out, and I'm gonna highlight cappuccino because that sounds delicious. And I'm very excited for today. So that's the end of this video for day 2 of Christmas in July. I'm super excited to share this with you. If you want to snag this PDF, I did put it linked in the description below, so you can purchase it for yourself to use it in your own planner. And I hope you will plan along with me and tag me on Instagram. If you're following along, I would love for you to tag me on Instagram. I'm at KFA Consulting. And let me know how you use this planner. Let me know if you've used day 1's oil pastels or passion planner. And also, if you comment on this video and let me know that you watched, I will put your name into a drawing for a giveaway that I'm doing at the end of this week. All right, everybody, thank you so much for following along, and I will see you in my next video.